Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Wallpaper Engine. Now there's two ways to go about this. I'll show you both the ways, but for that you will need to open up Steam first. So go ahead and launch up your Steam and then come here to the top left, hover over Library, and you can click here on Downloads. Now here you'll see the different apps that are available for updates. As you can see, I just completed Wallpaper Engine, but essentially what you would see is Wallpaper Engine right here saying scheduled. You just go ahead and right click on it and then click on update, or you can click on this download now icon as well. And the other way is if you are here on your library, on the left hand panel you should actually see Wallpaper Engine and it's saying update queued. And if the update is available, what you do is you just right click on it and then you click on update just like that. And if you don't see the option, what you can do is you can just go ahead and close up Steam, exit Steam, and then you just go ahead and relaunch it, and usually the update appears. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.